In this video, I will show you how to complete the End of Oak Street Discord quest. First, open the Discord app. Now, click on the Discover option. From here, select Quest. Now, find the End of Oak Street quest and select Launch. Next, tap Authorize and complete the authorization process. Once you're inside the quest, you will see your progress starting at 0%. Now, select Start to begin the quest. You'll be given a choice of characters including a bicycle and a dog. For this quest, select the bicycle. The main objective is to travel a certain distance along the street without hitting obstacles. Carefully follow the path and avoid touching objects along the way. If you hit an obstacle and fail, don't worry. Simply start again and try to remember the path from your previous attempt. The route can present different challenges, so focus on the object in front of you and make small, careful movements. Continue playing until your progress reaches 100%. Once you have successfully completed the required distance, the quest will be marked as complete. You can then claim the available reward for quest page. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.